The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration. There is currently a ban on several items in bakeries, including Paczkis, bagels, donuts, and breadsticks. No symptoms have been confirmed yet, but we will keep you informed. Please stay tuned for more on this devolving situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Food and Drug Administration as well as the Centers for Disease Control. Recently, the virus that was found in numerous baking products, including Paczkis, bagels, donuts, and breadsticks, has gone airborne. Symptoms of this virus include abdominal pain, cramps, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and sore throat. If you have consumed any of the previously listed products, take yourself to the hospital immediately. If your local hospital is at full capacity, please visit your nearest doctor's office. There is currently no cure for the virus at this time, but we will keep you informed.
And recently the Paczkis virus has been plaguing our bakeries, but we have discovered that the virus is no virus at all. Steve? Thanks, Otto. Anyways, it turns out that the virus wasn't a virus at all. Apparently, they were just left out too long. No action needs to be taken, and the symptoms are just normal side effects after eating expired food. The same applies to the bagels, donuts, and breadsticks. The sour batch has been disposed of, and all Paczkis are now safe to eat.
This is an emergency action termination. All programs shall resume normal broadcasts. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more EAS scenarios. And stay tuned for the next video. The Ultimate Threat, where the plague happens all over again. Thanks for watching.